Right now, Kling 3 is easily one of the best AI video generation tools available, especially when it comes to cinematic scenes, emotion, sound design, and storytelling. But Kling 3 is no longer alone. A new and very serious competitor is on the way, and it's coming from ByteDance. I'm talking about Seedance 2.0, and based on early leaks and demos, this model could directly challenge Kling 3.
I like flow.
If you visit Higgsfield's website, you'll already see Seedance 2.0 marked as coming soon. That clearly indicates that just like Kling 3, Seedance 2 will soon be integrated into Higgsfield, and we'll be able to test it ourselves very soon. Now, let's talk about what makes Seedance 2.0 special. The first big feature is one-click video recreation. Seedance 2 allows you to generate a complete cinematic video from a single sentence. You can either recreate trending scenes or reimagine iconic movie moments just by writing one line. For example, on X, a creator named Yo-Yo Chen posted a demo where a single prompt was used to generate a full Lucy-style action movie scene.
Confirm. Now, execute protocol Omega.
The game is over.
Nice shot. But remember, as a killing machine, your game is never over.
When you watch that clip, the first thing you notice is the audio quality. It's significantly improved. The sound design, background noise, and impact sounds feel very cinematic. What's even more surprising is that the scene appears less restricted. You can clearly see violent action shots that most AI models usually block. Overall, that demo looks extremely impressive. Another standout feature is unified multi-control. Seedance 2 reportedly allows you to upload up to 12 assets at once, including images, video clips, audio files, text references, and style references. This means you can combine multiple assets into a single video workflow. If this feature works as promised, it's honestly insane, because controlling so many assets at once opens the door to very complex storytelling and ad-level video production. The reference videos shown on Higgsfield already demonstrate scenes stitched together smoothly using multiple assets, and the results look very promising. Seedance 2 also introduces frame-level precision, which allows you to lock characters, lock objects, control composition, maintain consistent framing. You can also control fonts, transitions, and scene timing. In one reference video, a dog remains visually consistent throughout the entire clip, while a cat appears in different positions, proving that Seedance can lock subjects very accurately. Another powerful feature is multi-camera storytelling. Seedance 2 can generate new scenes or extend existing videos with natural shot connections, different camera angles, and smooth transitions. The reference videos show wide shots, close-ups, and angle changes that feel intentional, very similar to what Kling 3 already does, but with a slightly different cinematic style. High-impact motion scenes have been significantly improved in Seedance 2. Action-heavy clips, running, fighting, fast camera movement look much smoother and more realistic in early demos. Now let's talk about the leaks on X, because this is where things get really interesting. When you search for Seedance 2 on X, you'll find many demos shared by creators. One of the most impressive ones is posted by Elisa Chen, where a simple ribbon image is transformed into a full 10-second commercial video.
무궁무진한 아름다움을 연출해보세요. 단 1초 만에 잠그고 최고의 스타일을 완성하세요. 코트, 가방, 헤어 액세서리까지 다재다능하고 개성 넘치는 스타일을 완성하.
The text stays sharp, readable, and distortion-free, something many AI models still struggle with. This instantly gives Sora 2 style commercial vibes, which is a huge compliment. Other leaked demos include a Money King cinematic video, a realistic dough kneading scene with eggs, a 26-second headphone commercial that looks extremely professional,
Coffee? Thanks.
a Kill Bill-style action scene including blood effects, a bullet headshot scene with visible impact, paper animation created from a simple stick sketch, a Will Smith noodle-eating style demo, dance videos with strong motion consistency. There's also a punching bag commercial where sweat and muscle movement look shockingly real, and a swimming scene that feels almost indistinguishable from real footage. Based on all early demos and leaks, Seedance 2.0 looks extremely strong, especially for commercial videos, ads, cinematic storytelling, action, and motion scenes. If everything we've seen so far is real, Seedance 2 could become the first true competitor to Kling 3. I'm personally waiting for its official release on Higgsfield so I can directly compare Seedance 2 versus Kling 3, Seedance 2 versus Sora 2. I've already made a detailed Kling 3 tutorial, which you can check out on the end screen if you haven't seen it yet. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Seedance 2 can beat Kling 3, or at least compete with it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.